equivalent infinitesimals. Equivalent infinitesimals. Next concept. See, let f of x and g of x. Let f of x and g of x be infinitesimals as extends to a, and limit extends to a, f of x over g of x is equal to L. In bracket, L is a finite non-zero number. L is a finite non-zero number. So, in next line, write down number 1. If L is finite, and non-zero, just 1 second. L. So here you remove this one. Just you write L. Okay. Yes. So if L is finite and non-zero, then f of x and g of x called are called infinitesimals of f of x and g of x are called infinitesimals of the same order, infinitesimals of the same order. Next, second point. If L is equals to 1, then f of x and g of x are called equivalent infinitesimals. Equivalent infinitesimals. Next, equivalent infinitesimal notation is denoted by f of x is this notation, g of x. So the meaning of this one is what? The meaning of this one is f of x is equivalent infinitesimal to g of x. That is the meaning. That is the notation. Next, third point. Right on. Third point. If L is equals to 0, then f of x is called an higher order infinitesimal called an higher order infinitesimals higher order infinitesimal with respect to g of x, with respect to g of x. Okay, na? Infinitesimal with respect to g of x. Next, fourth point. Otherwise, you write as note. Note right down. The infinitesimal f of x the infinitesimal f of x the infinitesimal f of x is called infinitesimal of nth order with respect to g of x if limit extends to a f of x over g of x power n is equal to L. Here L is a finite non-zero. So this is note. The infinitesimal f of x is called an infinitesimal of nth order with respect to g of x if limit extends to f of x over g of x power n is equal to L. That is a finite non-zero quantity. So now, what is the application of this infinitesimal to limits? Right now, application to limits. That is application of infinitesimals limits. Right now, if f of x comma g of x, if f of x comma g of x are infinitesimals as extends to a and if f of x is equivalent to some alpha x and g of x is equivalent to some beta x, then limit extends to a f of x over g of x can be written as limit extends to a alpha x over beta x, some equivalent infinitesimals. Right. First one is sine alpha x. Sine alpha x is equivalent to alpha x. Number 2, tan alpha x is equivalent to alpha x. Number 3, sine inverse alpha x is equivalent to alpha x. Tan inverse alpha x is equivalent to alpha x. Fifth one, ln of 1 plus alpha x is equivalent to alpha x. Sixth one, a power alpha x minus 1 is equivalent to alpha x into ln a, where a is greater than 0. Seventh one, e power alpha x minus 1 is equivalent to alpha x. Eighth one, 1 minus cos alpha x is equivalent to alpha square x over 2. If argument is tends towards 0, tends towards 0, and if present in product form of entire expression. If argument is tends towards 0 and if present in product form of entire expression, then sine, tan, sine inverse, tan inverse can be replaced with their arguments. Okay, with their arguments. Next slide. If present in product form of entire expression and if alpha x tends to 0, then 1 minus cos alpha x can be replaced with what? Otherwise, can be replaced with alpha square x by 2. Yes or no? Because 1 minus cos alpha equivalent infinitesimal is what? 1 minus cos alpha x infinitesimal equivalent is what? Alpha square x by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If alpha x tends to 0 and it is in product form, then you can replace this with what? Alpha square x by 2. Next one is if present in product form of entire expression and if alpha x tends to 1, then ln of alpha x can be replaced with alpha x minus 1 can be replaced with alpha x minus 1. I will explain the reasons while solving the problems. Okay. Next one is if present in product form, if present in product form of enter expression, and if alpha x tends to 0, if alpha x tends to 0, then sin alpha x, comma, tan alpha x, tan inverse alpha x, sin inverse alpha x, e power alpha x minus 1 ln of 1 plus alpha x can be replaced with alpha x, One, find the limits a, limit extends to 0, sin 5x over ln of 1 plus 4x. B, limit extends to 0, ln of cos x over x square. So these are the two questions. See, to solve this question, so solution. So here in normal method without using infinitesimal, how to solve the question? Question number A, limit extends to 0 in sin 5x over ln of 1 plus 4x. Okay, how to solve this question? We have these two formulas. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta is equals to 1. Yes or no? And another formula is what? Limit theta tends to 0, ln of 1 plus x by x equal to what? 1 or not? So
Yes,
these
sir.
two formulas. So how to solve this question? This is equal to limit extends to 0, sin 5x over 5x into 5x, multiply and divide by 2, 5x, sorry. Here 1 plus 4x, ln 1 plus 4x, here 4x into 4x. Yes or no? Now, if you observe these two things, that is this limit, yes, this one and this one, these are in standard form or not? E form only. Theta, both the angles are same. Here both arguments are same. And both tends to 0. As x tends to 0, this goes to 0, this goes to 0. Therefore, you can replace the sin 5x by 5, limit extends 0 by 1. Similarly, here also, x and x, here 4x, 4x, and x tends to 0, here 4x also tends to 0. Therefore, this is equals to what? 1 into 5x, limit extends to 0. Yes or no? 1 into 5x by what? 1 into 4x. X cancel. Answer is what? 5 by 4. This is our normal method without using infinitesimal. Okay, now. But by using infinitesimal, directly we can solve the question. Yes, sir. This is method 1. So method 2 is what? By using infinitesimals, we can directly solve the problem. So in infinitesimal, see, limit extends to 0, sin 5x as extends to 0. See, this is in product form and 5x goes to 0 or not? If x goes to 0, phi x goes to 0. Then sine phi x equivalent infinitesimal is what? Sine alpha x is equivalent to alpha x. Just see, you can replace this sine phi x with what? Phi x. Direct phi x. Now ln 1 plus x. Ln 1 plus x can be this one. Ln 1 plus x can be replaced with what? X. Therefore, here directly what? 4x. Answer is what? X cancel 5/4. Yes or no? Can solve the problem easily with the help of infinitesimals. So second one is what? Ln of cos x over x square. Limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. Ln of cos x over x square. So here, how to solve the question? Here, as x goes to 0, if x goes to 0, cos x is not going to 0. It's not, it goes to 1. That's why you can write this thing as limit extends to 0, ln of here 1 plus, and our form is what? Ln of 1 plus x by x. Therefore, ln of, we should generate 1. To generate 1, add and subtract 1 by x squared. Yes or no? So now see, if you observe this one, now this goes to 0 or not? This, as x goes to 0, this goes to 0, this tends to 0. Now when this goes to 0, what is the equivalent infinitesimal of ln 1 plus x? See, ln 1 plus x, when x alpha x goes to 0, ln 1 plus alpha x equivalent to alpha x. Now you can replace directly. Here we cannot replace directly. We cannot replace this with cos x, because this is not in standard form, ln of 1 plus cos 1 plus x form. This is ln of 1 plus x form, where x tends to 0. Here x is what? Cos x minus 1. This tends to 0. Now directly we can replace this with what? Numerator can be replaced with what? It's equivalent infinitesimal, that is cos x minus 1. Denominator is as it is. So this is equals to minus, if we take out common, limit extends to 0. This is 1 minus cos x over x square. Already we know this one. That is what? 1 by 2. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Clear? Extends to 4. Sine of x square minus 16 over x minus 4. Suppose this is the question. So without using infinity, in normal method, how we solve the problem? Method 1. Method 1 is what? Limit extends to 4. Here, as x goes to 0, this goes to 0. Because x goes to 0, 16 minus 8, this goes to 0. So to use this formula, that is limit theta tends to 0, sine theta by theta is equal to 1. We need here theta. That's why you divide and multiply with x square minus 16. This is our general method. You divide with x square minus 16, at the same time multiply x minus 4. Now, what about this one? This, if x goes to 0, this goes to 0, this goes to 0. Therefore, these two are same quantities, theta and theta tends to 0. Here x square minus 16 tends to 0. Therefore, this is equal to what? 1. So you can write this thing as limit extends to 4, 1 into x square minus 16 by x square minus x minus 4. That is, limit extends to 4. This is x plus 4 into x minus 4 over x minus 4. X minus 4, x minus 4 cancel. That is, limit extends to 4, x plus 4. If you substitute 4, then 4 plus 4, which is equals to 8. This is the solution. But if you use the infinitesimal, is method 1. Method 2 is, if you use the infinitesimal, the question is what? Limit extends to 4, sine x square minus 16 over x minus 4. If you use the infinitesimal, sine kada, sine square. Yes, sine of x square minus. What is, even theta tends to 0, see, alpha x tends to 0, then sine alpha x equivalent infinitesimal is what? See, this one, sine alpha x, sorry, here sine alpha x when alpha x tends to 0 and sine alpha x equivalent infinitesimal is alpha x. We can replace with alpha x. See, that is here alpha x is what? Directly x square minus 16. Therefore, limit x tends to 4. Directly you can replace this with x square minus 16 over x minus 4. That is equals to limit x tends to 4, x plus 4 into x minus 4 over x minus 4. X minus 4, x minus 4 cancel. Directly if you substitute 4, 4 plus 4, that is equals to 8. Okay, na? This is the answer. X tends to pi, sine of sine x over x square minus pi. So why we are doing all these things? If you substitute directly pi here, then what happens? If you directly substitute pi, limit x tends to pi, sine of sine x over x square minus pi. If you directly substitute pi, then what you get? It is of the form 0 by 0.
0 by 0.
0 by sine, because sine pi is 0, sine 0 is 0, numerator is 0, denominator is 0. So now, as x tends to pi, then sine x tends to what? 0 or not? Yes, sir. If x goes to pi, sine x goes to 0. Therefore, what is when alpha x? If alpha x tends to 0, then sine alpha x is equivalent to what? Alpha x or not? Equivalent infinitesimal. So you can replace the sine alpha x with alpha x when alpha x tends to 0. Yes, here x tends to pi, then sine x goes to 0. Now here directly we can replace. Here I am using infinitesimal concept. That is, you can replace the sine of sine x with what? Sine x. Because sine of sine x equivalent infinitesimal is sine x, because sine x tends to 0 when x tends to pi. X square minus pi square. The form 0 by 0. Again, if you substitute x equal to pi, it is 0 by 0. Now here, this is limit x tends to pi. The sine x can be replaced with sine of pi minus x or not? Because why I am replacing? If x goes to pi, see, if x goes to pi, then this x goes to pi. It is not never goes to 0 if x goes to pi, because this x tends to pi. This tends to what? Pi. So when this argument tends to, sine of argument tends to 0 when x tends to pi, when angle is pi minus x. But sine x can be written as sine of pi minus x. Yes, sir. Sine x can be written as sine of pi minus x over x square minus pi square. Now, as x tends to pi, this pi minus x tends to what? 0. Now, sine of pi minus x equivalent infinitesimal is what? Pi minus x. Now you can replace. Here you cannot replace. You cannot replace sine x with x, because this is x is not tends to 0. X tends to pi. But here, this pi minus x tends to 0 as x tends to pi. When sine alpha x equivalent infinitesimal is what? Alpha x. When alpha x tends to 0. Here pi minus x tends to 0. Now you can replace limit x tends to pi. Now you can replace sine pi x, pi minus x with pi minus x over x square minus pi square. Now this is equals to limit x tends to pi. Here minus take out common, x minus pi. Here this x square minus pi square can be written as x minus pi into x plus pi. This x minus pi cancel. Now if you directly substitute pi, then what you get? Minus 1 by pi plus pi. That is equals to what? Minus 1 by 2. Clear? 0 ln 1 plus 2x minus 3x square over ln of 1 minus x plus 5x power 5 is the question. See, if you observe this one, it is of the form ln of 1 plus x. We have seen when x goes to 0 or alpha x goes to 0, then here alpha x. If alpha x tends to 0, then ln of 1 plus alpha x is equivalent to what? Alpha x or not? Already you have seen this one. If alpha x tends to 0, ln of 1 plus alpha x is equivalent to alpha x. So here, as x tends to 0, then 2x 3 minus 3x square. This tends to 0 or not? Yes. Now you can replace this ln of 1 plus 2x minus 3x square with 2x minus 3x square. Similarly, here ln limit x tends to 0, this is ln of 5x power 5 minus x. So if x goes to 0, this 5x power 5 minus x also goes to 0. Therefore, this total can be replaced with 5x power 5 minus x. So this is equal. Solution is with the help of infinitesimals, limit x tends to 0, ln of 1 plus 2x minus 3x square over ln of, this can be written as 1 plus 5x power 5 minus x. Now, so this one is this one. These two tends to 0. Excuse me. So this tends to 0. This also tends to 0. Therefore, this can be replaced with limit x tends to 0, 2x minus 3x square over 5x power 5 minus x. Now this is of the form what? 0 by 0. Initially it was in the form of 0 by 0. That's why we are doing all these things. So again it's 0 by 0 for indeterminate form. Therefore limit x tends to 0. Here x take out common, 2 minus 3x over, here x take out common, 5x power 4 minus 1. Now here x cancel. Now if you substitute x equal to 0, then what you get? 2 over minus 2. That is equal to what? Minus 2. This is the answer. Clearance to 0. Ln of 2 minus cos 2. Ln of 2 minus cos 2x over ln square of sin 3x plus 1. Solution. See, here limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. This numerator can be written as ln of 1 plus 1 minus cos 2x over denominator is as it is, ln of 1 plus sin 3x. See, if you observe this one, 1 minus cos 2x and sin 3x. See, as x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x tends to 0 or not? Because cos 0 is 1. And sin 3x also tends to 0. So, you can use infinitesimal here. So, what is the equivalent infinitesimal of ln of 1 plus 1 minus cos 2x? 1 minus cos 2x, since 1 minus cos 2x tends to 0. Therefore, similarly, what is the equivalent infinitesimal of ln of 1 plus sin 3x? Yes or no? So, you can replace this numerator with 1 minus cos 2x and denominator with ln square is there, sin square 3x. Yes or no? Sin square 3x. Now, again, it is of the form 0 by 0 form. So, initially, if you substitute x equal to 0, it is 0 by 0 form. Yes or no? That's why we are doing this. Now, first we used infinitesimals, then again it is of the form 0 by 0, indeterminate form. Now we can use again infinitesimal. See here, if you observe this angle cos 2x and 3x. So as x tends to 0, this 2x tends to 0, and as x tends to 0, this 3x also tends to 0. Therefore, what is the infinitesimal of 1 minus cos 2x? Tell me. As alpha x tends to 0, 1 minus cos alpha x equivalent infinitesimal is what? Alpha x square by 2 or not? We have this result 1 minus cos x by x square is equal to 1 by 2. Yes or no? Here alpha x, here alpha square x. So 1 minus cos 2x equivalent infinitesimal is what? Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos 2x equivalent infinitesimal is 2x square over 2. Next, what is the sine alpha x equivalent infinitesimal? Alpha x tends to 0. Alpha x. Here 3x. That is 3x square. Okay, na? Because sine square 3x. Therefore, limit x tends to 0. This is 4x square over 2 into 9x square. Here x square cancel. 2 times. Therefore, answer is equal to what? 2 over 9. Find the limits. Find the limits using equivalent infinitesimals. Equivalent infinitesimals. Question number 1. Limit x tends to 0. Sine square root of x over ln of 1 plus 5x. Question number 2. Limit x tends to 0. Sine 3x plus sine inverse x whole square minus tan inverse x whole square over e power 5x minus 1. 3. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos x into e power x minus cos x over x power n. 4. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x minus tan x whole square minus x into 1 minus cos 2x whole square over 8 tan power 8x plus 5 sin power 5x. Question number 5. Limit x tends to 0. Sin cube root of x into ln of 1 minus 5x over tan inverse root x square into e power cube root of x minus 1. 6th one. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos x plus 2 sin inverse x minus sin cube x over 3 tan inverse x minus x square plus x power 5. So solve these questions as homework. Okay, na?